have a bag tag receipt that says Save a Gate, you may pick up your items outside the front boarding door. If you need any assistance deplaning the aircraft, we ask that you please remain comfortably seated once we arrive at gate so that we may better assist you. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue, especially this New York City-based crew, I'd like to thank you for flying with us today. Taxi and ride-out pickup areas have recently changed here at JFK. Taxis are now located in the T5 parking garage, and ride-out pickup is adjacent to Terminal 7 via the AirTrain.